Do you dream of having thicker, lusher hair? While it's true we can't change the texture of our hair follicles, there are plenty of ways to give the illusion of thicker hair and reduce breakage and hair loss. One of the most effective methods is maintaining a nutritious diet and indulging in regular scalp massages. Let's dive into some remedies that can help thicken thin hair. Bear in mind, these strategies should not replace professional treatment if you have an underlying health condition causing thin hair, such as a nutritional deficiency or alopecia. First up are eggs. Packed with protein, eggs are essential for strong, thick hair. To use an egg treatment, beat 1 or 2 eggs together and apply the mixture to your scalp and damp hair. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then wash your hair thoroughly with warm water and a mild shampoo. Alternatively, you can mix egg yolks with a tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of water. Apply this to your scalp and dry hair, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then wash it out. Regularly using an egg treatment once or twice a week for several weeks can help strengthen and thicken your hair. Next on the list is olive oil. This kitchen staple, rich in omega-3 acids and other nutrients, is essential for overall health, including hair health. When applied directly to your hair, it helps promote thickness. To use olive oil, warm it to body temperature, massage it into your scalp and hair, and leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes before washing it out with a mild shampoo. Castor oil, rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, is another great option. Rub the oil over your scalp and hair until it's coated, let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then wash it out. Onion juice is also a fantastic remedy for hair thickness. Rich in vitamin C, allicin, and sulfur, onion juice helps stimulate hair regrowth. Apply the juice to your scalp, massage it gently for 4 or 5 minutes, and wait for 20 to 25 minutes before washing your hair with a mild shampoo. Finally, the combination of yogurt and honey can do wonders. The fatty acids in yogurt shield your scalp and ensure healthy hair growth, while honey's antioxidants and natural humectants add strength to your hair. In conclusion, these home remedies can be your ticket to thicker, healthier hair. Remember that consistency is key, and it's important to use these remedies regularly for the best results. So why wait? Start your journey to thicker hair today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.